everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a green velvet cake. So I found this recipe on Pinterest and I've never made it before, so who knows how it's going to turn out. Alright, let's look at our ingredients. 2 cups of sugar, 3 large eggs, and a pound of butter. That's 2 sticks. We're going to cream those all together. We have 2.5 cups of flour in here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda. Those are our dry ingredients. This is 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk. Now this is the fun part. We're going to add the green food coloring. I don't know how much to add, so I'm just going to do it little by little. Oh, look at that. I think I better stir it up. Oh, it's really green. Really green. Oh, and don't forget the vanilla. And we're ready to mix. First we're going to cream the butter and the sugar. So I'm going to pour in all the sugar and 2 sticks of butter. They should be a little softer, but let's try it. Now let's add the beaten eggs. Maybe this is a yellow velvet cake instead of green. Now let's alternate the dry ingredients with the buttermilk. I wonder what green and yellow make. We'll find out. It's looking very greenish brown right now. Well, it looks good enough, so I guess I'll take it out. It's not very pretty. So I'm going to put this into the pan. It's a 9 by 13 pan. The recipe called for 3 round 8-inch cake pans. So let's see if this is going to work. This might be a good recipe for St. Patrick's Day or Christmas or any time you need something green, I guess. But we'll see how it turns out. "25 minutes is up, so let's check on that cake." Oh, it's still pretty jiggly. It's not anywhere near done. So I'm going to put it on for another 15 minutes. Let's try that. Okay, 15 minutes are up. Let's check it now. Oh, it looks like it's done. Let's test it. It came out clean. I think it's done. 15 minutes should do it. It's still army green. So it needs to cool off for 15 minutes before we frost it and improve it. Okay, so I made a basic buttercream frosting, and of course I had to put a little green food coloring in, as long as the theme is green today. So we're going to frost this. Somebody's waiting to eat. It's all frosted, but let's put a little green sprinkle on because you can never have enough green. Make it a little festive. It's ready. Okay, we're ready to cut the cake and see what color green it is. We're going to have a taste panel. Oh my. It's kind of hard to cut through. Oh. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Okay, guys, I made a beautiful green velvet cake. Who wants a taste?
Schnecken time!
Here it comes. So what do you think of the color, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
That is just ginormous.
Well, it's army green.
Jack, you'll like that.
Who wants the first piece?
Me!
Oh boy. Well, we've got two takers here.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
There you go, Jack. All right. You want an inside piece?
Yeah, sure.
So the cake is Granny Smith green, and the frosting is a little more sea green.
Not too shabby.
It's really good. It's not quite as like food coloring-y as a red velvet. It's like really, it's like buttery. It's good.
It's good.
So,
Oh, it's good.
yeah.
Yeah. Jack, you want this for your birthday cake?
Okay, now I'll be the judge of this.
Yes.
It's really good. It may not look like the Pinterest picture, but it's really good. So give it a try.